Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to download and install Ubuntu 26.04 LTS ISO file. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser and visit Ubuntu download page. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Here click on download Ubuntu desktop. And here we get download option for latest Ubuntu release, that is Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Here we have two versions. One is Intel and AMD version and another one is ARM version. So depending upon your system type, click on the download link and it will download the Ubuntu 26.04 LTS ISO file. Now you can use this ISO file to create bootable pen drive, or you can use this ISO file to install Ubuntu on virtual machine. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.